I'm going to use these ingredients to make the marinade. Soy sauce, mirin, and sake, 1/4 of a cup each, and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. First, bring some water to boil. Take 4 eggs out of the refrigerator, gently lowering the water. After 7 minutes, move the boiled eggs into icy water. Let the eggs sit in ice water for 10 minutes. Stir the eggs a little bit. Now we're going to make marinade. Pour everything in. Gently stir. Bring it to boil. Lower the heat. Simmer for 1 minute. Now peel the eggs. Now put them into the bag. Now pour in the marinade. And seal the bag. Put it into the refrigerator overnight and it will be ready. 2 days will make the egg more flavorful. This is how they look after 1 day.